Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Eddie in Arkansas on the Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Eddie got it ready to go for you, bud. We've got our tune and alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade kit, all my audio mods. Got the full truckerized package of this unit. I'll show you what we got. I'm going to start with RF power all the way down, 500 watt slug. It's set about 25 watts all the way down. That way if you decide to run an amp, you got full adjustability. 150 all the way up. Show you average power swing to 300 bird average. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello. Over 700 watts PEP. Let's turn it about 12 o'clock because I don't know if you're going to be running a watt meter in the big rig or not. 500 watt slug gets you a little over 100 watts and still on peak. Hello, 700 watts. That's probably about where I would run it right there, Eddie. You'll get a lot of long life out of it and it'll work out good for you. Eddie, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.